So this is the new MARCHWAY camping chair. It can hold 300 pounds, but it doesn't weigh really anything. And this is what it looks like when it's together. Let's go ahead and take it apart and show you just how fast that is. Put this on the tripod, and then the first thing we'll do is we'll put away the instructions. Then we're going to just pull the fabric part, the canvas, off of the frame. And it's got real heavy duty attachment points, so it stays on there real well. So what I like to do is fold it in half. Really doesn't matter which way, fold in half. And then one more in half. And then in thirds. And then we'll set this aside. Next we have the back parts. And these are all connected through elastic cord. So when we pull the part off there, it comes down, pull that. We can pull this, each of the legs will pull, so we'll pull that, and we'll pull this other leg, and as you can see, I'm kind of pulling it together in stages. We'll pull this leg, and then there's this hook and loop. Now it's taken me probably a little longer because I'm explaining everything, but I think you can see just how quickly the procedure goes here. Again, we're going to wrap it with the attached hook and loop, and then what's cool is you just pull these apart, twist, and look how fast the whole thing came apart. So now I'm going to go back to the canvas and I just wrap it up like a burrito, put it inside the case here, and then just zip up the case. It's got a nice, easy to use zipper pull, which makes that simple. And now your camp chair doesn't weigh very much. Has a real easy place to hold on to it on both sides. Tie downs. Hope this helps.